I completely forgot about the moments where it would come, but yeah, I completely missed it. Good job, Chan. Good job. You did a really good job. You did a really, really good job. But yeah, it's always hard to, you know, choose which is right to play. But yeah. I'm sorry. Good job, Chan. Good job. You tried. A for effort.